Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on your laptop. First, you'll want to verify that your laptop meets the game's system requirements, especially regarding the processor, memory, and graphics card. Make sure your operating system is fully updated for the best compatibility. A dedicated graphics card is crucial for a smooth experience, and you'll need a substantial amount of free storage, around 175 gigabytes, to install the game properly. Once you've confirmed your laptop is ready, purchase and download Call of Duty Modern Warfare from a trusted digital store. For the quickest loading screens and overall responsiveness, install the game onto a solid-state drive if you have one. After installation, dive into the game's settings to fine-tune your graphics. You'll want to find a good balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates. Also, using an external mouse and keyboard can significantly improve your aiming and movement. To get the best performance, always close any unnecessary background applications before starting the game. This frees up valuable system resources. Regularly update your graphics card drivers to their latest versions, as these often include performance enhancements for new games. Laptops can get warm, so using a cooling pad is a smart way to prevent overheating and maintain stable performance during long play sessions. If you need more frames per second, try lowering the in-game resolution and texture quality. To truly enhance your gameplay, spend some time in the training modes to get comfortable with the controls and various weapons. Effective communication is key in team-based modes, so invest in a good quality headset to talk with your teammates. Experiment with your field of view, or FOV, settings. A wider FOV can give you a better sense of your surroundings. Finally, if you're serious about competitive play, an external monitor with a high refresh rate can offer a noticeable advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.